I know this will not make a good frame in my video or in my mobile phone camera, but with the lens in the little camera it could make a frame. Saw the picture I took? It writes fast. Nice. Okay. Peace. Bye. Entering the Butterfly Park Road. Okay. It's very good road. Okay. It's uphill until Butterfly Park, but there will be small mellow down slopes. Okay. Not aggressive, not so aggressive down slopes. Okay. Yeah, I'm pushing only goofy all the time these days. Haven't learned to push as a regular or do mongo or scogging. I want that to be little more low rider. Okay then. Bye. Peace. I love this pattern in the house. Okay. I always capture this. I took 2 pictures. It's little slanted. I'm not looking at the camera screen, I'm looking through the mobile screen. So it's been taken. Let me check the picture. See that? That's the gallery. Yeah, it's been taken. Good. Bye. Forgive me, I got to reset from regular mode to the photograph mode with the camera. I like this switch in this house. They are really kind people. So I'm capturing it. It's a beautiful photograph. I love this. Let's go take another frame. This is another beautiful frame. People have this in India to scare the ghost. Okay. So this is a guardian angel. Okay. It's a beautiful guardian angel. They have it here just to scare the ghost or any unwanted people. Beautiful artwork, right? And yeah, that is some seashell. Okay. Bye. Peace. I've taken that photograph. There is this tree, but this pine is so close in this camera. I've taken a picture. I'm going to take one more. There you go. People here are really, really kind. They totally understand me what I am doing. So I told them like I'm stopping here to take these photographs. Sorry, forget the exposure. So they understood and let me do what I'm doing. Okay, so they are really, really kind. And I took the photographs, made the video. And for an information, for the past few photographs, I'm not taking any mobile photograph. I forgot actually. I probably will do it in the future rides and take that. I haven't reached the midpoint yet. I'm riding really slow. Why? Because like I'm taking a lot of photographs here. Okay, then let's go riding, and there is a spot for taking another photograph. We'll meet you there. Okay, so it's about 6:30 in the morning. It's all good, and I'm doing good. Okay, but a little bit sweaty. Okay, peace. Bye. Okay, so this is a bit of mellow downhill, but it runs like for 250 meters, bit long, and it flattens out after that. So what we have reached the flat grounds, and in 50 meters it will become an uphill. In 50 meters from the motorcycle, or from here only, it has started to be an uphill and gets aggressive in next 50 meters. It's really hard to push. The onward journey is always uphill, uphill and uphill. So when you find the wet surface, just in the understanding, like I've said in my previous skating videos, in Chitra Vidhi skating video, wherein I would ride with my Kawa, like people here living in the house, they will take care of their part of the street, they'll clean them. So when you have houses close by, and if each house cleans the street by themselves, the entire street will be clean. That's an habit over here in India, in Tamil Nadu, and they would put rangoli in the front of the house. So I'm riding the uphill, could see it from my breathing. It's all mobile video. Consider this as steady cam. Okay. Okay. The uphill is ends in next 5 meters. Oh yeah, it ended here. I'm glad that I'm able to record a video without stopping the video. All good. Okay then. Meet you near the butterfly park. It's hunting for focus. Meet you near butterfly park. Till this spot, I've done 5 kilometers. From here, it's just 1 kilometer. Okay. Peace. So a little bit of downhill I enjoy riding, like just 200 meters from the previous stop. I don't gain great speeds here, but when I return, this part of the downhill turns very aggressive when I'm coming on my return journey. So that's where I gain the speed, probably 35 kilometers per hour. Okay. Boy, that is 900 meters to Butterfly Park. Peace. I'm trying to shoot that palm tree. Yeah. Having a GoPro would have been very, very difficult task. I think I've taken photograph. I took some 4 photographs because I have no time to check if it is sharp or not. Yeah. I have to do 2 clicks before it turns into a video or a picture checking thing. Okay, it does come out good. It's not actually 8 megapixel, it's just 3 megapixel. I checked it in the menu or the manual. You will probably see it in the video. Okay, so bye bye. Peace. This is another mellow down slope, which I don't enjoy that much, but it's good that is there in the right spot. It's going to be uphill on my return, but not that aggressive. And that's it. It's uphill from here. That shiny piece of glass is called Kallatteru. I do not know why it is called so. Kallan means thief in Tamil. Okay. So it's going to take only 300 meters to Butterfly Park from here. Okay. It's a good scenery. This tree is called Arasamaram. Forgot the scientific name or English name. Gives you quite a lot of oxygen. Okay. Let's get there. So those twigs, leaves and big seeds, could have been wheel bite or wheel stop, but this is 110 mm wheels, so I can easily get over that. So it's a bit of downhill. Used to be aggressive, but now I don't feel so. From then on, next 100 meters towards Butterfly Park is all uphill. So you want to stay online with me? It's been like 2 minutes since I recorded this video. Why not? Until I accidentally stop recording, I can continue. You know, there is enough space in my phone, and probably this is the only time I record video for my riding. In my next few rides, it's all going to be photography. I'm still surprised that one mark in the battery of my kid's camera is still working. I don't keep it on all the time. I just turn it on whenever I need to take photographs. Okay, I'm going to reach the spot. It's downhill, bit aggressive, but there are 2 speed bumps which literally stops me because the center support on my board would scrape and stop. Okay, I was too slow today, like more than an hour to just 6 kilometers, because I've been recording video. There's another speed bump. If it wasn't there, I would probably reach to that aggressive uphill. Okay, see my shadow? That's my favorite part. Okay, so grab my board like this, uhuru like this, and walk until here. I cross this bridge. Okay, we have reached here. So it's a nice bridge to cross. I am not sure like how political it's going to be, because like you can't avoid showing the river or riverbed, wherever, whatever, in this spot. So I've reached the midpoint. Let me take a couple of photographs, okay, with the kids' camera, and let me proceed with my return journey after this. I think I'll end the photo walk at this point, and I'll fit in maximum photographs that I could take in my future rides in this spot. Okay, and I usually sit behind that tree. There are a couple of rocks. That's beautiful view to see the nature. We have somebody sleeping there. That's really nice and a good thing. Let's not wake him up today. I'll just end my photo walk here. Let me turn to front camera and speak to you. Okay, peace. So this video is going to be at several aspect ratios. I didn't go for GoPro because like GoPro would have been a hassle for me, because to turn it on every time along with my kids camera and point wherever that I need to and take a photograph. It's a very complicated process. Okay, so and it's going to take more than whatever it took today. Okay, and I've come here to the midpoint. It's a wonderful scenery. I'll try to take few photographs that is more possible in this spot, and start my return journey after this. Okay, it's like 6 kilometers. You saw that first 1 kilometer ride, right? So it's going to be 6 kilometers till here, and it's an onward journey, photo walk with the kids camera, just as I promised. Okay, I've taken few photographs today. It was interesting. I'll post it at a very small resolution. I will not blow it up to the entire screen, because it will make the image look bad. That's how it is actually. The lens is little soft, not like what Sean Tucker had in his YouTube vlog. Okay, so it's little soft, plastic lens. It's not glass, and I'm happy that it has held very well and it stayed in complete shape. Let me show you. Throughout my entire LDP ride. That is what is surprising actually. It's in all one piece and it even turns on. That's the most important thing. So I'm going to bring it for a few more rides and make my decision. Forgive me. So all good, all good. So I'll try to take few photographs and leave. Okay, and our photo walk ends along with the LDP ride here at this point. Okay. Thanks for putting up with me. Thanks for people who have really supported throughout my journey. Thanks to all the good souls, and thanks for being so kind to me, and I'm so happy. Peace. Have a great day. Bye. What good is a photograph without taking my LDP board with this kid's camera? That's a shot. That's a shot. That's a shot. Let me check like if the pictures have come good. Yep, that's pretty decent. Okay. So that's the photograph of the board. Okay, let me capture the front portion of the board. Might be little overexposed in the video because like the place is very bright. Trust me, I'm trying to hold as stable as possible, but this has no stabilization, so it's going to definitely show some shake in the final image because like I've always photographed with my left hand, holding my video camera on the right hand, just to have some stabilization. Okay, so hope you are looking at what I am taking. I tried my best to keep it interesting. Okay, forgive me if it is not that worth. See that? Little overexposed. It's really hard for me to not shake the camera when I'm speaking, you know. And take a photograph. I'm doing 3 or 4 things here. Whatever little photograph that comes out of this camera, you know, it's going to be a piece of art. I'm not that close just because like it's hard for me to take a photograph without shaking the camera. So. Oh yes. Oh yeah. We have this Rekla race ox and the vehicle. I'm taking a photograph of that. It's a little overexposed in the video, the screen, the rear screen of the kids camera. So the battery is red. I think it will not withstand after this. Let me take a selfie and finish this part of the photo walk with this camera. Okay, let's check those images. Oh yes, the selfie has come. And yeah, that's how I was taking my career photograph with. Okay, it has come out good, that much I can give you for now. So turn this off, it's already red. I'm not going to take any photograph on my way return. It will be too bright for this camera to capture. There is no exposure controls for me. It's all auto. So anyways, I'll end this photo walk here, and I have to get back home before it gets too hot. Sun is so bright today. I wear my sunglasses, have a salt tap, drink some water, and get going. So the photo walk ends here. Hope you liked it. Peace. Bye. Just tracking my shadow. Peace. So I reached the home safely after today's ride. Should be like counting 20th of May, I think. That's the day I made the photo walk until half of the distance, onward journey. When I returned, I did not take my camera outside. Just focused on to get to my home safe. And it did happen. The sun was so harsh on me. I did not know I had a lot of energy today. And that's why I felt like I would take part of my energy in making photo walk videos and stuff like that. Because like these things consume quite a lot of energy of you, like the creative stuff, Got to remember what to say, when to say, all that. This is completely impromptu. Okay. So all good. The relive app timing says 1 hour and 49 minutes because like I never took it out in the midpoint, take a screenshot of what it is showing, and it said 11.6 kilometers in the end, the screenshot. when I make the video, it should be around 11 kilometers or 11.2, whatever the mood of, depending on the mood of Relive app. But as I told you before, I only started the Relive app after 1 or 1.5 kilometers. I forgot to switch on the trackers because I was making a video. Anyways, thanks all for the good souls who have supported me during this journey. So thanks everyone for helping me during my LDP rides. Okay. Thank you so much. Peace.